Natawanan ako. Hindi ka bumiyak. Kita. Yes. Sayaw na. Go. Woo. Dali, pakakal mo. Dali na. Tayo na yan. Tatayo na yan. Crazy right now. Nadala ka ni Lolo. Halina, ngayon na tayo magkaroon ng masasayang kanta. Ah! Crazy right now. Love.
Video mo pagkano na. Sana. Kakanta.
Hindi ko na mapatayin ka.
Ganyan na lang.
Hanapan mo ako ng kanta. Yung masaya, Ben.
Huwag ka na hihinga ng malalim.
Yung may chupa ever. Ayan na!
Hindi na yan.
For life.
Tagal namang picture na to.
Okay, see? Bounce, no? Bounce! Bounce!
Ikaw na lang para lahat mag-bounce.
Sakina. Na, basag sa
I-repeat mo raw yung kanta niya. Dito.
Gusto ko matulad yung tsura mo.
Bakit ba galak na galak ka sa picture kong yun? Akin na yan. Akin yan.
Video mo ang sarili mo.
Ayoko. Ayoko, nakakaya. Walang ano.
Bakit? Inaano ka pa namin?
Ano pang gusto mo? Ano ba? Ito, ang dami-daming tao. Nakakahiya ka, oh. Nasa baba daw, sa baba. Sa taas daw, tataas. Kung na mataas ka. Dali ka kayo lang ko. Sige. Every single day, you always like this. I love you, but this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Even if I will tell well, this is all I know. Zoom out. Hindi ko alam kung paano eh. Come to me and hold me, and you will see the love of you is still holding. Zoom in ulit. Every single day, you always have this way. But how many times have told me taba. I love you, but this is all I know. I'll never go far away from you. Super zoom in. That I need you so. Super zoom in. Ito na. Super zoom in.
Grabe naman yun. Super zooming mo na yan.
Super zoom in.
Grabe, super zooming.
Teka lang ako dahil sa brother.
Ang sarap kaya sa mga
Huwag ka kasi tumingin sa ilaw. Super duper mega zoom in. Ano ba eh? na ako mawawala ulit. Ay, hindi nakita. 74 yan 74. Zoom in. Zoom out. Super zoom in. Super zoom out. Tama na.
Anong kahit ganyan nakazoom in?
Super pa, super.
Thought you could replace me. You can no longer find a waste of time because she was not you. We'd rather let it fly. Don't leave her, baby. Love was not this without connection. Be with your lies alive. So I think it's not from this one place that I'm nothing without you.
Zooming.
I hope now and I wanna change your voice. I'd rather have baptized with you than to touch someone else. I'd rather be beside you.
Laki ng problema na yun.
Than save it all for myself.
Lumadayo pa pala talaga may problema.
Tama kayo. Malungkot, malungkot. Problemate, problemate. Zoom in! Super duper mega zoom in! Nagka-transform na! Eto na! Super! Duper! Mega zoom in!
I can only prove the things I'll say with time. Please be mine and rather have baptized with you than to touch someone else. I'd rather be beside you in the storm than take you on by myself. I'd rather have hard times together than to have it easy apart. I'd rather have the one who holds my heart. I'd rather have baptized with you than to touch someone else. I'd rather be beside you in the storm than save it all by myself. I'd rather have hard times together than to have it easy apart. I'd rather have the one who holds my heart.
Last na to, promise.
Holds my heart.
Pinapauwi ka na ni Renzi. Gulo-gulo mo daw eh. Ano yun?
Hindi, basta yun. Kaya uuwi na ako kasi sila sa mga yun. Nakita mo ba?
Ha?
Nakita mo?
Ang alin ako?
Nilagay mo?
Honestly? Bakit? Ano legit. Nakita ko nga. Sige, upo, upo. Sige, upo. Kala ma, hindi to titigil hanggat di ka tumitigil. Bawi-bawi lang yan. Inday, bawi-bawi lang yan. Ay, 21 guns nga na Bisaya.
Oo nga, try mo nga.
Ikaw na lang kumanta nun. Para may
Ginawa pa akong narban, ha?
para may kantahin ka naman.
Hindi na. Eh, wala yata dito nagkanta na.
Ha?
Parang dito.
Oo, nakita namin kanina. Ay, dito yata yun. Yung mga title. Mamaya pagkatapos.
Kailangan nakatutok sa tusok ka.
Oo.
Pagkasasagot ka sa'yo.
Hindi. Sa'yo lang.
Ayos ah.
Shy type si Renzi.
To know right from wrong, where's your heart is spoken? So where did I go wrong? Tell me honestly, if you still love me, looking into my eyes, honestly. Words have the meaning. People say it's so damn wrong. We need you now, so I can feel alive. I want to know when you will give me some time to see if everything will work out. You'll be mine. Someday I may find the words what I've been searching for, and just a piece of my heart. Tell me honestly, if you still love me, looking into my eyes, honestly. Oh, tell me honestly. If you still love me, looking into my eyes.
Kita. Umiyak ka ba?
Hindi naman. Sakto lang. All the nights I've seen and wondered if I see those you like my truly. The days and nights come by my life, living with a lonely feeling. Honestly, if you still love me,
Tumayo po.
looking into my eyes, honestly.
Nakatawa na kami!
Looking into my eyes.
May taga-tapos mo wow! Sabay oo.
What? Trip ka.
Mamaya ka lang.
So, time to say goodbye. Bye.
Go home.
Go home. Bye-bye.
Wala nang chimbulag.
Wala nang
Bye.
joke lang natin.